Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is learn to use the toFixit and the toPrecision methods. Internally in JavaScript, all numbers are represented in a 64-bit format, so you can have precision errors when operating floating points. The way to work around it is to use the toFixit and toPrecision methods in order to ensure the number being represented on your front end really is the number that you are expecting. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.